Okay, dear students, we have finished the first chapter, some basic concept in chemistry, everything is discussed. Now we'll practice some numericals based on the last topics we have discovered, the concentration of a solution. So first way how to express the concentration, that is the mass percentage. So very simple problem I have given you. First example number 1, that is the solution is prepared by adding 2 gram of a substance. That means it is a solute. So substance A is solute. It is added to the 18 gram of water, which is solvent. Now calculate the mass percentage of the solute. So in this what we will do, first of all find the mass of the solute, which is 2 gram. Then the mass of the solvent, that is water, which is given 18 gram. So 2 gram of the solute is added to 18 gram of solvent. So when solute and solvent mixes with one another, then it is called solution. That's why the mass of the solution, that is AAQ, is 2 plus 18, that is 20 gram. So now you have got the 20 gram of solution, 2 gram of solute, 18 gram of solvent. So altogether you have got 20 gram of solution. So what would be the percentage of concentration of this solution? What is the mass percentage of this solute here? So mass percentage of solute A is nothing but ratio of the mass of A with the mass of solution. So mass of A divided by mass of solution into 100. Put the value, how much you are getting? 10%. So very simple. You have solved it class 10 also, so there is no problem. Now the next question is based on molality and molarity. We have learned it, molality and molarity. So both the concept will be used here in this question. What is given? The density of 3m solution. 3m solution means molarity of solution is 3m, 3 mole per liter. Capital M means molarity. Capital M means molarity. So that means this solution is 3 molar. That means solution's concentration is 3 mole per liter. 3 mole per liter. So molarity of the solution is given and the name of the solute is NaCl. Name of the solute is NaCl and density of this 3m solution is 1.25 gram per ml. Density of the sodium chloride solution is given. It is 1.25 gram per ml. Density is what? Mass by volume. So it is a density of solution, not the solute. It is a density of solution, not the density of solute. Now we have been asked to calculate the molality of the solution. What have been asked to calculate? Molality of the solution. So we have to calculate the molality of the solution. For to calculate the molality, what we need? First of all, we have to think that. First of all, we have to think what are the things that is needed to calculate the molality. To calculate the molality, what we need? Number of moles of the solute. What we need? Number of moles of the solute and the number of kg of the solvent. If we get these two parameters, definitely we will be getting the molality of the solution. So first of all, I will find what are the things given in the question and what has to be taken. So I will take whether number of moles of the solid is given or not, or number of kg of solvent is given or not. If it is not given, then we have to first calculate this one and this one only. Okay, now I will take the data. What are the data? Molarity of the solution given. What is the molarity of solution? 3m. What is the molarity of solution? 3m. 3m means 3 mole per liter. 3 mole per liter. So it will be written 3 mole by 1 liter. What is the formula of molarity? Number of moles divided by number of liter of the solution. Number of liters of the solutions. Here in place of number of moles, how much you are having? 3 mole. And volume of the solution is 1 liter. So we have got the two data now. Number of moles of the solid and the volume of the solution we have got. So I have written number of moles of the solid. Name of the solute is what? Sodium chloride. So this solute is nothing but it's a number of moles of the sodium chloride, which is 3 mole. And the volume of the solution 1 liter, that is 1000 ml. Volume of the solution 1 liter, so it is 1000 ml. So these are the two information we have got from this 3m. Now another information is given about the solution. The density of solution is 1.25 gram per ml. So I write the formula for density of the solution is what? 1.25 gram per ml. So it will be writing 1.25 gram by 1 ml. Now this is the mass of the solution. Here what is there? Mass of the solution. Here what is? Volume of the solution. Means 1 ml of solution has got a mass equal to 1.25 gram. 1, that is the mass. It is the mass of the solution and it is volume of the solution. What is the volume of the solution? 1 ml. At that moment, mass of the solution is how much? 1.25. That means mass of 1 ml of solution is 1.25 gram. So therefore, mass of 1 ml solution equal to 1.25 gram. So mass of the 1000 ml, that is 1 liter of the solution, because we have got how much solution we have got? 1 liter, that is 1000 ml. So mass of the 1000 ml solution would be multiplied 1.25 into 1000, you have got 1250 grams. So now we have got the mass of the solution. But what I need? Mass of the solvent, not the solution. What we need? Mass of the solvent, not the solution. So we have to find out the mass of the solvent. Now we have got the mass of the solution. Now here we have got the number of moles of the solute. So we should get the number of mass of the solute also. So number of moles of the solute is how much? 3 mole. So that is why the mass of the solute would be 3 into molar mass of the NaCl. Because it is the number of moles of NaCl. So that is why to have the exact idea of the mass, we should multiply it by molar mass. So that is why the 3 mole is multiplied by molar mass of the sodium chloride. So what is the molar mass of sodium chloride? 58.5. So altogether we have got 175.5 grams. So now we got the mass of the solute also. Mass of the solute we have got, mass of the solution we have got. So now the formula is mass of solution equal to mass of solvent plus mass of solute. Mass of solution equal to mass of solvent plus mass of solute. This is the formula. So what is the formula? What is the value of mass of solution? 1250 gram. Mass of solvent we have to find out. What is the mass of solute? We have got this much. So now put the value. After putting value, rearrange it. You will get the mass of solvent. How much? 1074.5 gram. This much. This is the mass of the solvent. This is the mass of the solvent. But we need mass of the solvent in kg. But we need mass of the solvent in kg. So gram should be converted into kg. So gram must be divided by 1000 so that it get converted into kg. That's why it was divided by 1000. So now it become into kg. Now that value will be putting here. Now for molality, number of moles of the solid, how much? 3 mole is given. Number of kg of the solvent, how much? We have got this much kg. So we have written that. Rearrange it, calculate it. How much you will get? 2.79 mole per kg. After calculation, how much you will get? 2.79 mole per kg. And mole per kg can be written in a small m also. Small m indicates mole per kg. So 2.79 m. So what is the molarity of solution? 3m. What is the molarity of the solution? 3m. And what is the molarity of the solution? 2.79. So molality and molarity necessarily not a same thing, but different. Both cannot be same. So in here 3m molarity is equal to 2.79 molality. Same solution. Molality is 3m, whereas molarity is 3m, whereas molality is 2.79. So that means molality and molarity have got relation. We are able to convert it. Sometime you will be given molality, and from that you have to calculate molarity. In opposite direction also you have to think. So this is a very important example. With that, clear your concept. If you have confusion, you may contact me and get it clarified. Thank you.